Hi there, welcome to Don's Workshop. This is part 2 of my Brixmax light kit for the Corvette. Anyway, last time got the lights in on this side, on the left side, as well as in the dash. And now we're gonna continue. Okay, so I got that in. Now we have to do, got that side, this dash light in, got the wires ran underneath. And now it's time to do the other side. And I'm assuming it's going to be like the same as the first side. So we'll just get all these off. I'm just going to check the next part. Yeah, we got to take all the other stuff off too. So just take everything off here. Not gonna have to take that one off, I don't think, because we got the dash light is in, and that's why we took that one off. And then this has to come off as well. We have to take the inside ones off here. This has to come off. That whole thing just should come off together, but doesn't quite. And we have this one to take off as well. So that's gonna go like that. Okay. Those are off. And I have to take the lights now. So now I've done this once, and I know what I have to do here. And we stick one light. What's that? Oh, we have pieces of the Orient Express floating around right now. Okay. That goes there. Oh, I gotta hook this together again. Let's just put that together, like so. And then put the light in it. And yeah, that's one light. Then the last of these lights, last of the headlights. I started off with this like small light kit to try it out because I've never done one before, so this is my first one. And I also got the light kit for the Titanic and for the Dune Ornithopter. So it was really the Ornithopter one that interested me, but that one looks pretty complicated compared to this, so I wanted to just try something a little simpler to start with to see how this goes. Now, let's try to get these together. Okay, same thing. I want to try to get those in there. Is it all good? It's not sticking down. All sticking down like that. Okay. I think I got it. And now, same thing, I gotta try to route these. Try to stick that in there. I wonder if there's a better. This is one way to do it. But it's not great. Can I get that over there? Okay. Okay, I got that one in. And then this one wants to go, supposed to go right there. I guess try to run it this way. I suppose it wouldn't be better down the middle because it's got to sit on the... Trying to get it on the inside of the piece, so this is gonna come on there. Oh, right here. Okay, and then this one should go in there. And then we have the 1x3. It's gonna like kind of clamp onto both of those. Okay, now we can put all the, I think we can put all the parts back on. And yeah, we're putting all the parts back together here. Yeah, you can feel like just a slight ridge now. It's hard to see the ridge, but you have to feel it. And then see, I remember the light and sound sets Lego used to have, because I had one space set, and they had the bricks that had the metal pieces in it for connecting to the battery and connecting to the lights. And it is something that I think Lego could maybe bring back. Maybe they could probably come up with a better, because now that like all these companies that have like this wire, these very thin wires, like it should be possible to like make a brick that these run through the brick. Maybe, I don't know. It's a molding issue, right? You gotta mold it with the wires in the brick if you want to do that, and I don't know how tricky that would be. Okay. Okay, those are run down there, so now we're on to 58, and it wants me to put the hood back on. Okay, so we just put the hood back on. Oops. Oh, that's wrong spot. Is it like squeezed over a little bit? It's squeezed in a little bit on the front here. Is that right? No. Oh, the hood should be there. That's better. There we go. Hood is on. Hood is good. Now, we're turning it upside down. Are we? Oh. I don't know. This is one thing. Okay, let's see how this turns out. We've got the wires down here. And it's only showing the one set of wires. Why is that? I did put the other ones down there. Okay, it only shows the one set. Not sure. Did I miss putting the other ones through there or something? I did not. So I need to, wants me to take just this off, this rail. Okay, so take that rail off. Because I don't, why is the steering, that wheel is like way off. Oh, like why is that wheel way off? Okay. Yeah, it's like coming out. Oops. Should have took that off. Anyway, I need to run the wires through the hole. Let's okay, it wants me to run all the wires into the middle. Okay, so I gotta run. So these wires need to go in here. Are they going through underneath the 2x8? No, it's beside the 2x8. So it goes. They're supposed to go through here. Okay, let's get that through. Okay, that's those two on that side. And then I can get, it's showing me tying them all together. So I think I should be able to just get them all through here. It might be easier to just, can I just tie these ones together to start with? At least on this end. And try to get them through together. Well, that one's not going to go through. There we go. No, they don't all want to go through at the same time. Okay. Get the crooked one in here. Could probably take the tire off. That would make it easier. See, those are instructions. They don't include, you just take the tire off and makes it easier. So just kind of, you learn things as you go through these. Okay, so we got that. Put the tire back on. And we have those, and then it's got them all through. Get them through on both sides. Now I have 5, and I need to twist them together. Okay, we'll just kind of twist them a little bit here. Because they are not all the same length, so that's like that. And now I have that, and now I should be able to plug in. We have one of the banks here. Oh, it's got some tape on it. So I'm supposed to plug these into here first. Okay. Okay, plug them in. Plug the long one into this far end, I guess. And then just go down the line, I suppose. And the short one. There. That's those together. They probably should just kind of be tidied up there. And then use the battery box to test whether or not the lights work. So that's a good idea. And let's fire that up. Like so. And turn it over. Oops. Okay, got those there. And let's see what we got here. They all work. There we go. We got lights on the front and we got lights in the dash. That is looking, that's actually pretty cool. So, even just like that. Okay, so now, what I'm guessing is I have to actually put that somewhere underneath. Okay. So we have here, you want me to stick it in there. And do I leave it plugged into the battery box? Yep, leave it plugged into the battery box so that or at least to this wire. So I need to somehow get that in there and then, oh yeah, you shove the wiring in there. Okay, so take the sticker off. Do I take the sticker off? Is that a sticker? Or what do I do? Okay. Battery box. Oh, it says disconnect the battery box, but... Oh, a D05? Ah, I gotta use a connecting cable. Okay. And run that out. Because we are gonna, okay, there we go. So I need to take that off the battery box. Hook the connecting cable up. And that will run the other way. And then, is this supposed to be, stick it in there, or? Oh, it just gets held in, or no. It's not, it sort of gets held in with the rail. But yeah, I don't need to stick anything in there. So if I just put those wires in there, as nicely as I can, and just not get them, that one wants to just stick out. And stick the rail back. There we go. That is good. Okay. There we go. Not able to turn it on yet, but what's going on there? Actually, let's just double check, make sure this is working. Hook that up to the battery box. And there we go. Anyway, well, that has been part 2 of my BricsMax lighting kit for the Corvette. And you see you've got the lights working for the headlights and that light strip on in the cabin there on the dash. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and take it easy.